Every business person goes into business to do one thing: to make money. The owner wants to make money. The owner sometimes is not able to do it all by himself. He has to employ a general manager. What is the role of the general manager? To help the owner make money. If the owner doesn't make money, what happens to the general manager? He has to go. The goal is very, very simple: we are here to help the owner make money. The owner is in business to make money. Everyone in the company is to help the owner make money. So unless you have financial literacy, how would you be able to know what making money is? Unless everyone in the organization is given some financial knowledge, financial literacy, and some financial skill, how would they be able to help the owner make money? Everyone must have some financial literacy. The profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow are summaries of what happens to the financial situation of the company. If you are not able to read and understand these statements, then how do we manage the company? Are we here to make profit or are we here to make cash? LearnAccountingFast.com